Here's another one of life's little mysteries. You would think that if you had power to the top screw, you'd have power to the bottom screw. I just bought this receptacle from the hardware store. Apparently somebody else had bought it and returned it and broke the bridge between the top and bottom receptacles. It's pretty common when you want to run two different circuits. What you do is you break the hot tab here and break the neutral tab also. But as you can see here, the neutral tab is still intact. I guess you can see it. It's a little better, yeah. This is what we're looking for. It's missing on this side. So this is the first receptacle in a string, and I have power to this receptacle, but nothing downstream, and it's not a GFI. So a little bit of investigation here with my tester. The wire on the other side, on the other side of the wall here, does not pick up with my tester, but since these wires are so close together on the front, that it does pick up, is both the top and bottom being hot. But when I go to the other side, I don't have anything coming out of the receptacle, so I check, and here we are. Somebody has sabotaged my efforts. Never know what you're going to find when you're trying to do remodel work. And it's something I shouldn't have to say, but if you buy a receptacle out of a box, you need to check and make sure the tabs are intact on both sides. This was a head scratcher for about 3 seconds before I figured out that there was something wrong with the receptacle. I pull it out, and there it is. Alrighty, one more thing to think about and be confused by.